Good day everyone, my name is Christian Oliver Layosa and now I will explain to you the 6 different basic skills in playing volleyball. So now, the first skill I will explain to you is the serving. So what is serving? Serving is just simply passing the ball over the net to the other opponent's court. So like this, you can pass the ball like this or passing the ball over your head. So passing like this. So that is serving, like passing into the other's opponent's court. And that's the serving. And now I will explain to you what is passing. This is the second one. The second skill is passing. So what is passing? You can pass the ball into the other court or in your teammate like this. So you can pass the ball like this. Simply that. It's a little bump like the ball bump into your forearms. Here, forearms. So you can pass the ball like sideways like that or pass the ball in front like this, like that. So you can pass the ball in your teammate or you can pass simply for just a score. So that is passing. And the third one is blocking. So what is blocking? In blocking, this is a defensive type of skills in volleyball where you can actually defend the ball, that the ball approaching into you. If, for example, the opponent is spiking towards to you, so you can actually block the ball using the blocking method where you can block the ball for defensive style so they can score. For example, this spiking towards you, for example here, and you can block the ball like this or jumping like this. You must put a power into your legs so you can jump like this and spreading your palm so you can defend the coming ball. So that is the blocking. Now, so you know about the blocking. So that is blocking. So now I will explain about the setting. So what is setting? Setting is just simply tossing the ball into the mid-air. It's you can use the ball to prepare the spiking of your teammate. So you can pass the ball like this, like that. You can toss the ball like this, that. So your teammate can spike it. So that is the purpose of the setting. Just tossing the ball for your teammate to prepare so he can do the spiking for your score. So that is the purpose of setting, to prepare the ball. And now we're done in setting, so I will explain the skills in spiking. So what is spiking? The spiking is just simply put a force in your hand so you can spike the ball like this in the upper part of the ball so you can hit directly the ball and land it directly into your opponent's court. For example, here, like if your teammate toss the ball to you, like you put a strong energy in your legs so you can jump higher like this, like that, and do this for the jump like that, for you to jump higher. Put a force in your legs and put a force in your chest so you can jump higher like this, like that, so you can spike the ball. And that is the spiking. Just put a force in your hand so you can spike directly to your opponent's court. So that is spiking. And now I will explain to you what is digging. Digging also is a defensive way. If the blocking is it's a defensive way in the mid-air, so you can block the ball. And in digging, you can use this digging in blocking the spiking hit of the opponent. Like if they spiking the ball, you can save it using the digging like this. You just swimming to save the ball. Like the ball land into your arm like this, in your hand like this, in the top of your hand. So that is digging.